Hello everyone. In today's video we will learn that how to find a square root of a number without using a calculator. So for doing that we have to make a pair of numbers by seeing the place value of a number. As we have the place value, some numbers are before decimal and some numbers are after decimal. So before decimal the least place value is unit. So we have to start making a pair of them unit along with the tens one, and we don't have 1,000 value to make a pair with the 100 one, so over here placing a 0 to make it as a pair, and this 0 will not affect my original value. Similarly, after decimal the least place value will be the 100, so it will be pair with the 1000, and the 10,000 value is remaining, so over here also we have to place a 0 and making a pair of them with 8. Now we see that over here we have 1, 2, 3 and 4 pairs. So I just making 4 rows to solve it. 1, 2, 3, 4. In each row we have to solve each pair. In first step we have to solve first pair, in second step the second, and similarly for the third and fourth one. Now in the first step I have 5. Remember that we are finding the square root, so I am taking a number to solve this 5. If I take 1 and 5, so it will result 5. 2 and 2 will result 4. So these number are two different number. Whatever a number I choose will remain same because we are finding the square root, so we have to take a number which multiplied by itself. So we can take 2 into 2. Whatever I am taking a number, I have to write it 3 times. 1, 2 and 3. On this side the numbers we have to add, and why we were adding them? Because it gives us a number for the next step to solve a next pair, and this shows us the answer which will be the quotient value. 2 into 2 will give us answer as 4. After subtraction it will as 1. Now we have to copy down the whole pair. We cannot copy down only 7 whenever we move towards the next step, so we have to copy down the complete pair over here. Now this 2 and 2 will be result as 4. Along with this 4 I have to place a number, like if I am taking 4, along with 4 if I multiply by 2, so it will result as 42, so I have to multiply by the 2. Whatever I am choosing a number, I have to multiply by the same number. 42 multiplied by 42 result as 84. If I am choosing 3, so this will be answer as 129, and if I am choosing 4, so this will result as 176. So the nearest one is 129. The division rule will same. I am choosing the 3, so I have to write it 3 times. 1, 2, 3, which gives us answer as 129. After subtraction the remaining will be 45. Now we have to solve the next pair, which is 6, 5. Now my number is 4, 5, 6, 5. Whenever we copy down a number, or you can say that a pair after decimal, so we have to place a decimal in the quotient as well as. My number is 4 and 6. 43 plus 3 will result as 46. Now along with this 46 I have to place a number to multiply. So along with 46, if I am multiplying placing 8, so I have to multiply by 8, which result this answer 3744. If I am choosing 469 multiply by 9 will result 4221. After 9 it will be 10, and that will be the two digit number 2-digit number, so we cannot take that. We were just choosing a number 0 till 9. So this one is the nearest one, 4221. So by choosing 9, 1, 2, 3 times, writing 9, my answer should be 4, 2, 2, 1. After subtraction the remainder will be 3 4 4. Now for the fourth pair, which is 80, I have 4 7 8. Now with the 4 7 8, if I am placing 7, so I have to multiply by 7. That gives us answer is 33509. 4788 multiply by 8, answer is 38304. So the seventh one is the nearest one, so I am writing 7. We will take 7. So what will be the number? 33509, and the remainder should be 971. So the square root of 574.658 should be 23.97. Hope you like the video. Please subscribe to my channel to support me. Take care. Bye bye.